One-handed. All right, what are you putting down right now?
This is a dough, pan-cut dough.
Okay. So he's making Konafeh, which is our favorite. So I'm just going to make him, watch him. I'm going to let the video run and let him. No pressure with me watching him. So he's a pro, so he's not worried about it. It's a dough down, and now there's some cheese. What kind of cheese?
Actually, this is a mix.
A mix?
Yeah. I use mozzarella cheese and I make my own recipe on it as well. You know?
Secret. It's a secret.
Yeah,
secret.
actually,
secret.
Yeah.
Secret recipe.
I shred it at home. So.
You can see that he's smiling, so he's enjoying what he's doing. So focus on the hands.
It's ready to cook.
How long does it take?
It takes like about 10, 15 minutes.
All right. So I'll come back later when he. You gonna do anything else right now? Or does that got to cook first? Top. Do you cover it?
Not all of it. Actually, just some like this.
It's Kunafa.
It's sweet.
It's a sweet cheese. It hurts the brain, but it's good.
Actually, I have. Hello.
Hey, what's the name of it?
Kunafa.
Kunafa. I said it wrong. So.
It's really good.
It is.
It takes about 10 minutes.
I've tried it before in that Kunafa place. That you know,
No, it's not mine actually.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I tried it there. It's really good.
Yeah, so.
So you're cooking it.
Yeah.
You're baking it. So whatever.
Yeah.
It's like cheese, right?
So you want that?
Yeah, there's a cheese actually. Dough. They're gonna add syrup. They get a little first, and then add some syrup. I add like a different kind of dough as well. This is shredded dough right here. It's a different taste.
You're saying it's Dolph?
Yes.
Dolph?
Yeah,
Shredded
really
dough, but it has different taste.
Oh, okay.
So it tastes really good as well. This one.
Nice.
Yeah.
So
Some people ask me to do this. Some people ask me to do that.
no, that's good. And then it's good. It's good.
Is it good to go?
No, it's got. It takes about 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Oh,
yeah.
10 minutes.
So I'm gonna.
That's
You got that from Jordan?
Yes, this is a ghee. Cow
Oh, ghee. Oh yeah.
This is the original one. So
Nice.
packed it very well.
They did.
Yeah.
It came a long way. All the way from.
exactly.
It came all the way from Jordan. It needed to be packed well.
Like 20 hours flying. Make sure the cover dry.
It's really yellow.
Yeah. It's good. I mean, it smells good.
Go ahead, I'm gonna watch and learn.
I don't think I could learn this. I think this is probably took him at least a week to learn how to do this. How many of these will you sell today, or go through? Will you make, you think?
Depends. 3, 4, 5. I do for events as well. For wedding, graduation, birthday sometimes.
Kunafa ng picture.
My car, I have a business card.
Okay. I share on the Facebook page, and I'll make sure that you can get to it. And if you don't like it, you can tell me to take it down, and I'll take it down.
No, I'm for sure I will like it.
But yeah, just when I bake, I use a toothpick, but that's smarter.
Oh, dude, what? No, for in the cake, maybe.
Yeah, cake. Yeah, for a wet batter.
It's gone. Anyway.
Oh, it's okay. Now we cover the exciting part. One-handed. Smells very good. Look, he's getting up syrup over here. Syrup. scalding hot sugar water, I'm sure. I said hot sugar water.
Yeah, add some ghee.
So that's so is that the syrup?
Yes.
Okay.
Now ready to serve. Alright, so
You ready? All right, I'm gonna get out of the way.
yeah, yes. So
I'm gonna get that cheese pool.
Kunafeh. Yes.
There it is. All right, this was just freshly made. I ran down here to give it to my wife. Cheese pool.
It's so hot.
Well, tell people what it tastes like.
It's hot. So it's like a sweet cheese.
It's like
with the nuts
pistachio.
on it, or crunchy.
Kind of like pistachio cake, maybe. I don't know.
Oh, it's like a caramelized on top.
Yes.
So you didn't get one for you?
No,
This is all for me.
It's all for you.
I love you. I like Konafeh better though.
I'm like that. The picture.
Mm.